Hey folks, so I just kind of want to do a little bit of a video. I ordered from Amazon a welding shield, welding helmet, because I bought a little welder that I'm going to be using on the bike. It's just a pretty basic, pretty standard welder that I got from Canadian Tire and Special. It's just basically flux core or FCAW and flux core arc welding, which means it's gasless. It basically just has wire with the flux inside the wire, so it protects the weld. So I got it on sale on Black Friday, and I managed to kind of start putting it together, got it wired into the garage. And so I needed a few things. I needed a good jacket, some gloves, and stuff like that. So I bought some of those things in Princess Auto, some different stuff that I'll show you. But I just kind of wanted to unbox this. This is something that I got a really good price on, because welding helmets can be expensive. This one here got some good ratings online, and it was yeah, I got just a lot of people online kind of saying it was a good welder, or sorry, a good helmet, I should say. It's auto darkening, which is a really cool little feature, so that you can actually see what you're doing. You can see what you're doing. That is it. Antra? Is that how you pronounce that? I don't know. Antra. I don't know. That's. Anyways, whatever way you pronounce it. Basically, yeah, the auto darkening is really good because it means that you can actually see what you're doing, and then as soon as you strike an arc with the welder, it actually dims the helmet, so dims the viewing area, so that you don't get what they call arc eye, which is where the light from the arc is so bright that it actually burns your eye a little bit. It can be really sore, and it can feel like you have sand in your eye for hours afterwards. So yeah, this one is the E07 220 series. So I can put a link up to that. They've sent some extra outside protectors for the front of the shield, as well as the inside as well. They say that you can grind, you can actually use a grinder with it as well, which is kind of neat. This is the little headpiece here, oops. And, okay, cool. And this is the shield itself. So nothing fancy. I'm sure I'll stick a few kind of stickers and things on there to make it a little bit more personalized. It's light. I've heard lots of people say, you know what, it's light, but it does exactly what it needs to. So inside there, it's got your settings and stuff. So I'm going to check the battery and stuff like that on it, make sure it has everything, and set it up. So not sure if you can see that. Hopefully you can. But in here, you've got some settings on here. You've got grind, or you've got delay time, and you can set the delay of how quickly it triggers for the to darken the visor, or you've got sensitivity to light over here too. So I'm sure I'll have to play with that a little bit to kind of get it doing what we need it to. It's from 9 to 13, so I think around 11 is where it should be set to. And we'll go fast with sensitivity, we'll go high. I took this out, so this piece of screen here comes out so that you can switch it with the ones that they've provided. Also in here then the real brains of the operation, the auto darkening piece, that kind of pops out through the front here, and I saw that there are two little batteries that go in either side. So it says on the Amazon home screen for it. It says that it's solar powered, but I think maybe that's just a nuance of translation, and basically what it's saying is that it's solar controlled, you know, or light controlled, let's say, for the auto darkening, because it's not solar powered, you know. So, but that's all good. It's okay. It has two of those little small little batteries, the 2032s, like a little disc. So, but I read some reviews, and people were saying they lasted about a year, so there's nothing wrong with that. Okay, so we just have to put in the little headpiece here. So that's kind of it. So far so good. Seems okay quality, and seems like it's going to do the job. I just adjusted it a little bit to make sure that it's kind of suitable for my noggin. Pops on. There's a little tightening clip at the back. Stays up okay. And it's ready to go. Good. So yeah, okay.